for Tableau Desktop 8 assignment, where I will be completing the Creating Relationships Between Tables section within the Work with Multiple Data Sources module, as well as building a dashboard, creating interactive dashboards using actions, and telling stories with data in the Create Dashboards and Stories module. First, we're going to be doing that creating relationships between tables, try it section, which is right here. So yeah, creating relationships between tables. I've downloaded these files below to use the activities, and step 1 and 2 are just adding the files into Tableau Desktop, which I have already done right here. Alright. Step 3. Use view data for each table to identify the common fields between the tables. Let's look at that hint. For each table in the data source page, point the mouse to the table and click View Data. It appears to the right of the table name. You'll need to click on the second data connection to see the tables in that connection. Take note of the common field names. Look for field names that include the word ID. Alright, so let's look at what they do. Click that. And that. And we'll see which ones say ID. So customer and transaction ID. Product ID and transaction ID. So they both have transaction IDs. Alrighty. 4. Looking at the common field names you have identified for each table, answer the following question. Which two tables contain the transaction ID field? So transaction does. As well as transaction details. So transaction details and transaction. Yep, that is correct. Step 5, drag the transaction details sheet to the canvas. Under Sheets, click on the Wholesale Carbonated Beverages transaction data source. Drag the transaction data. So Wholesale Carbonated, drag transaction details to the canvas. Step 6. Drag the transaction table to the canvas and establish a relationship with the transaction details table. If it is already selected, click on the Wholesale Carbonated Beverage transaction data source. Drag the transaction table to the canvas to the right of transaction details. So put that right there. These tables relate using the transaction ID field. Close the Edit Relationship dialog box since the common field name that Tableau selected is correct. Alright, that's the expected result. That's what we have. Step 7. Double-click or drag the remaining tables, product and customer on canvas to establish the rest of the relationships. Click the Wholesale Carbonated Beverages products and customers. So now it's customer and product right there. Double-click or drag the product table to the canvas to the right of transaction details. Close the Edit Relationship dialog box, since the common field name that Tableau selected is correct. It's already closed. Double click or drag the customer table. So double click. Close the edit relationship dialog box. Once again, not open. Right. That's the expected result, and that's what we got. How many steps? Okay, just a few more. Step 8, create a visualization showing a transaction count by customer name in descending sort order. Hint, create a new worksheet tab and name it customer transactions. Customer transactions. Alright. From the customers table in the data pane, drag customer name to rows. From the transaction table in the data pane, drag transaction count to columns. Click the descending sort icon on the toolbar. Right, that's the expected result. That's what we got right here. Step 9, look at the visualization you created. Answer the following question. Which customer had the most purchases? Julio. Yep, that's correct. Step 10, on a new worksheet, create a visualization showing the quantity sold by product name in descending sort order. Create a new worksheet tab and name it product quantity sold. From the product table in the data pane, drag product name to rows. From the transaction details table in the data pane, drag quantity sold to columns. Click the descending sort icon on the toolbar. Alright, that's the expected result, and that's what we got. Step 11, great work. Looking at the visualization you just created, answer the following question. Which product had the highest quantity sold? Ginger beer. Submit. Correct. Alright. And this is just the solution to the activity module summary. In this module, you learned how to create relationships between multiple data sources and build visualizations to answer business questions. You learned that relationships are the default way to use data from multiple data sources that have common fields, and that relationships are created on the data source page canvas. Once the relationships have been established, all fields are available to you when building a visualization. This includes nulls, which are useful in understanding your data. Lastly, Tableau uses relationships to determine the context for the fields you are using in the. Alright, you completed this module. See you in the next try it section. Alright, this is the try it section for building a dashboard. I am just going to download this file real quick and put it into Tableau, and then I'll be right back. Alright, open the starter file in Tableau. I just did that. Step 2, that was step 1 right there. Step 2, create a new laptop-sized dashboard that shows the title Sales Dashboard. Hint, in the view near the bottom, Click the New Dashboard tab to create a new dashboard sheet. Double-click the New Dashboard tab to activate editing and type Sales Dashboard. In the dashboard pane, under Size, select Laptop Browser 800 by 600. Under Size, Laptop Browser 600. Was it 800 by 600? Yeah. 800 by 600. Select the Show Dashboard title option to place a check on it. Show Dashboard title. The expected result. That's what it looks like. Step 3. Bring in all 3 views and adjust sales by segment to fit the entire view. The dashboard should look like the image under expected result. Hint. Drag each worksheet into the dashboard in the following order. Sales by segment. What? Hold on. For each worksheet. What's the expected result? Sale by segment. No, that's not right. Alright, for this one, adjust sales. Basically just bringing 3 sheets into here, which is what I did. I had to make the sheets just really quickly, so of course they're not perfect, but yeah. Step 4, remove the sales legend and resize and rearrange items to remove clutter. The dashboard should look like the image under expected results. So select the sales color legend and click the X to remove. I already did that. Select the segment color legend and position under the profit color legend. Click the consumer segment in the pie chart. Which product category has the highest sales and profits in plot of sales view? Technology in the EMEA market. Click the USCA market. What is the percentile of sales in the home office segment for the USCA market? 18.68%. Alrighty. See you in the next try it section. Alright, now for the creating interactive dashboards using actions module, right here within the create dashboards and stories section. Alright, so I'm going to download this file and upload it into Tableau and then continue. Alright, step 1, open the starter file in Tableau. I've done that. Step 2, create a 2014 Sochi Olympics results automatically resizing dashboard which shows the title. And click the new dashboard tab. Double click the new dashboard tab and name it 2014 Sochi Olympics results. Check the Show Dashboard Title checkbox. Alright, it's already checked. Interesting. Add medals by country to the dashboard and add the subtitle Click a Country. Drag the medals by country worksheet onto the dashboard. Right-click the worksheet and then click Edit Title. Add a line below the title and type Click a Country. Change the font size of the new line to 10. Click OK. Medals by country. Okay, I figured it out. I just had to get the other worksheets from the solution file since it's not provided in the initial one. Alright. Hint. In the dashboard, oh, too far. Drag the medals by country worksheet onto the dashboard. Right-click the worksheet title and then click Edit Title. Add a line below the title and type Click a Country. Click a country. Change the font size of the new line to 10. Click OK. I believe it's already like that. Alrighty. Step 4. Add a vertical container and the last two worksheets to the dashboard. In the dashboard name, click vertical. Dashboard pane, click vertical. Drag a vertical layout container to the right half of the dashboard. Drag the total medals by sports worksheet into the vertical layout container. Drag the medals by athletes worksheet into the layout container under total medals by support. Okay, so drag total medals by sport to the worksheet. And then this right here. That's the expected result, and that's what we've got so far. Step 5, add a map filter action with the source sheet as medals by country and all sheets as targets. Run the action on select. Open the dashboard menu and select actions. Dashboard menu. Select actions. Click add action and select filter. Name the filter map filter. And use the following settings: source sheets, medals by country, run action on select, target sheets, all available sheets. All right. Click OK, and then click OK again to close the Actions dialog. Okay. That's the expected result, and that's what we've got. Add an athlete filter action. On the dashboard menu, click Actions. Click Add Action and select Filter. Name the filter for athletes. Source sheets, total medals by sport. Run action on select. Target sheets, medals by athletes. Click OK, and then click OK again. The expected result, so we have create the athlete details, go to sheet action. On the dashboard menu, click Actions. I'm just going to assume we want the filter part again. Oh, select go to sheet. We do not want that. Go to sheet. Name the filter athlete details. Source sheet, medals by athlete. Run action on menu. And target sheets, athlete information. Which I don't have that sheet in here yet, so I will get that. Copy. And I just cancel this for now. Paste. Alright, our dashboard. Oh, shoot. Okay. Dashboard, actions, filter, go to sheet. And what did we name this? Athlete details. It's menu, I believe. Medals by athlete. And athlete information. Okay and okay. Alright. The expected result, so we have test your actions and answer the following questions. Which sport earned Canada the most gold medals? Okay. That would be ice hockey. How many German athletes won gold medals for ski jumping? How many German athletes? Okay, so there's Germany. And what was the question? How many German athletes won gold medals for ski jumping? Ski jumping. Ouch. Five, I believe. Yep, All right, we've completed this section. Exit this. All right, now we've just got to do telling stories with data, which is this one. All right, and I'll see you in the try it section. All right, this is the last try it section for Tableau Desktop 8, telling stories with data. Step 1, open the starter file in Tableau, which I've downloaded here and have uploaded in Tableau. 2, change the story size to generic desktop 1366 to 768. All right. So, at the bottom of the left pane, click the size menu. Bottom of the left pane. Alright, so I've got to create a dashboard. I think, unless, yeah. A story. Okay, not a dashboard, a story. Alright, so 1366, 768. Double click the title and enter the text, "What is happening with tables in the East?" With create a new story point with the customer purchases sheet. Once again, it didn't provide any of the sheets, so I'm going to go to the solution file to just copy the sheets from there. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Alrighty. So at the bottom of the left pane, click Size menu. Story 1. Size menu. Double click. Alright. Create a new story point with a customer purchases sheet. Use the caption, "No profitable transaction for tables east" for the story point. Click the blank button in the left pane. So, customer purchases goes here. Click the blank button in the left pane. Whoops. Alright, I think initially it had this, and then click blank. And then it says to drag the customer purchases worksheet to the view. Click add a caption and enter the text, "No profitable transaction for tables in the East." So click add a caption, no, for this one, and type "No profitable transactions." No profitable transactions for tables in the east. Oh, east, there we go. That's the expected result. Add the description. We sell a lot of tables in the east but don't make a profit. In fact, the larger the sale, the greater the profit loss to the top right area of the view. From the sidebar, drag to add text to the top right area of the view. Enter the description text. We sell a lot of tables in the east. Okay. I'll just copy. And I guess I won't. Oh. Then click OK. There's the expected result. Create a new story point with a dashboard discounts per state. Specify the caption as comparing average discount by category. Click the blank button in the left pane. Drag the discounts per state dashboard. Alright, so this I need as well. Discounts per state. Oh, wait. Yeah, there's the dashboard. Click add a caption and enter the text. Comparing average discount by category. Six, annotate the tables mark in the dashboard to indicate that high discounts are leading to low profits. Update that story point after adding the annotation. Right-click the tables mark and the average discounting sheet on the dashboard. Wait, so right-click the tables mark. Table mark and the average. Averaging discount. Sheet on the dashboard. Hover over annotate and click. Oh. Oh, the averaging discount. This part down here. Hover over. Over this, right click, hover over annotate, okay, and then click mark. Delete the existing text and type high discounts are leading to low profits. High discounts are leading to low profits. Update the story point by clicking the update icon at the top of the navigation box. Just hit OK. Alright, so expect the result, and that is what we've got right here. Perfect. Alright. Now let's check. You've been asked to analyze the final story point comparing average discount by category to determine the discounts for products in each state and each region. What is the discount on office furnishing in Pennsylvania? 5%. Alright, module summary. In this module, we learned how to create and format stories in Tableau. You are now ready to start creating stories and guiding others through your discoveries. Exit this. Alright. So, what I needed to complete was creating relationships between tables, which is what I did right here. And then building a dashboard like that. And then also creating interactive dashboards using actions, finished right here, and then telling stories with data. Alright, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, and 4 have been completed. That is the conclusion for Tableau Desktop 8 assignment.